Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the mesh directly in Unity so you don't waste time chasing the wrong problem. Select the game object, confirm it has a mesh filter and mesh renderer, and duplicate the asset or export a copy for backup. Then change scene view to shaded wireframe and rotate around the model. You're looking for holes, flipped faces, or overlapping vertices. Once found, note their locations and switch to the Modeling tab or External DCC to start precise corrections. Now you address the core geometry problems so lighting and collision behave properly. Recalculate normals in Unity with Mesh. Recalculate normals or flip problem faces in Blender. This fixes shading artifacts. Next, remove duplicate vertices and merge tiny gaps that cause holes and clean up non-manifold edges that break physics. If the mesh is noisy, simplify or retopologize dense regions while preserving UV seams and vertex color data. Make sure you finish by re-importing and validating the repaired mesh so your scene behaves as expected. Reset transforms to identity where required, reassign the mesh collider or recreate it to match updated topology, and then run play mode to check lighting, shadowing, collision, and any
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.